Here we have Spyderco's Endura 4, and this is in ZDP 189 with green FRN. Classic Endura 4, has a nice pocket clip. This little duck bill bit on the end really does help it go into your pocket more easily. This is a lockback knife. It will break in over time, but right out of the box, it is a little stiff to do the Spidey flick on it. You can do it, but you really got to give it a little goose. Great size knife. It is on the large size for a pocket, so this is a great work knife. You can open it quietly, unlike some of the autos that are around, especially in different companies. Great lightweight knife. ZDP is an excellent steel that will take a good edge and hold it a rather long time. So check out the sizing information and the current price on the website. Thanks for watching.